Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Take a circle and make multiple cuts around it like this. Now we are going to put this orange yarn like this. Now we are going to tie a knot using another yellow yarn and tie the other end on an earbud and start weaving it like we are doing here, and look at the beautiful pattern. We are going to use colorful yarns around it. Now cut it and open it like this. Then we are going to tie a knot and look, it is ready. It's a cute little basket, or you can also use it as cap. We are going to press these threads like this. After that, put wires inside it and make small pieces. Cut all of them. Now twist it, look like this, and you will get a shape like this. After that, we are going to twist more and give it shape like this. We are going to cut it like this and press it again, and look, you'll get a beautiful flower petal. Combine all of them and you can make flowers using this. We're going to make multiple cut on this rectangular piece of cardboard. Now paste ice cream sticks on both ends and start covering it using an orange yarn like this. Now tie another yarn on a stick and start weaving it like we are doing here, and look at the beautiful pattern. You can also fix it using a comb like this. Now flip it and cut the ties. Now we are going to tie all of them like this, and look, it is ready. You can use it in various ways. We're going to brush all these threads like this and make them even. Then we're going to put wires and cut small pieces using scissors. Now twist it and look, you'll get a shape like this. Now cut it. We're going to make flowers using it. So make the shape of petals and press it like this, and look, you can make beautiful flowers using it. Thank you so much for watching this video.